The other one that opens up for subscription will be Orient Technologies. This IPO opens for subscription on the 21st of August and closes on the 23rd of August. A couple of factors that one needs to keep in mind. So we'll quickly go across to Sunny for more on that. Sunny, what are you making of Orient Technologies? This one, of course, opens up on the 21st, closes on the 23rd. The price band is 195 to 206 rupees a share. What is your initial thoughts on Orient Technologies?
Again, what I feel is that looking at a business, it's a very small size IT company in an overcrowded market. So IT sector, we have seen many companies clocking revenue close to 100 crore and profit of close to 12-13 crore number. I think the issue is priced at a reasonable valuation. I think it's fairly valued if my understanding is right. I think it's coming at 18 times price to earning multiple at per price band on FY24 profitability. ROE, ROC close to 24% and 32%. I think it's a fairly valued small size IT company at a current juncture. I think listing gain is something which I don't feel one can get over here, as there are many other listed peers which are having a very aggressive growth target and trading at a similar valuation band. So if somebody is a medium to long-term investor, he can consider Orient Technology to apply through IPO.
Right, Sunny, are there any risks that one needs to be mindful of? I believe it's not just a small company, but their top big sort of the revenue split, if I have to say, comes from 10 top customers. And I believe loss of any such customer could have a significant impact in terms of its top line. You want to highlight for our viewers what are the key risks that one needs to keep in mind before they invest into Orient Tech?
Yes, definitely the risk of losing a customer and business definitely exists in a small and medium-sized IT player. So historically, we have seen that whenever there is an postponement of capex or IT spend by any large client in a small or mid-sized company, that do impact the financials for a quarter or two, and that's a big risk that exists in any small or mid-sized IT company, and the same applies to the Orient Technology also.
Right. Also, one last question, Sunny. If you do recommend this for a high-risk individual, I'm assuming this is not going to be for listing gains. This is more of a medium to long-term play. Is that right?
Yes. Not for a listing gain, because I believe the valuation is close to the fair value band, close to 18 times price to earning multiple. Looking at a smaller size of scale of operation, I think 18 to 20 times price to earning multiple is a decent valuation which Orient is coming IPO with.
Right. Capital is always limited, Sunny. So, if I were to ask you to pick one or the other, which one would it be?
Sorry, I missed your question.
I said if you had to pick one or the other, which one would it be?
Yeah, I will go with the Interact because that's a very pretty robust business sitting on a very good order book, and at the same time the scale of operation is larger as compared to the Orient. So I will go with the Interact.
Right. Thank you very much, Sunny, for joining us today and breaking it down for us. InterArc and Orient Technologies are two IPOs this week. Sunny Agarwal very clearly prefers an InterArc, not just for listing gains, but also from the medium to long-term time horizon. On the other hand, Orient Tech, while looks attractive, is attractive only for high-risk investors. With that, we wrap up this edition of Market IQ. Let's listen to the Chairman and Managing Director at Orient Technologies as well, Ajay Baliram Sawant, who talks to us about the road ahead for the company.
We have started this organization way back in 1997, so it's more than 25 years of service that we have been giving to our customers. When we started with the end user computing, and over a period of time we started moving into the data center solutions, IT technology enabled services, cybersecurity, and nowadays we use the cutting edge technologies like cloud and digital transformation, which is more of a cloud management perspective, data management perspective solutions and services to the customer. Our core focus is all about services, and we provide services to our customers like Coal India, Mazgaon Dock Limited, GST Network. They are from the government segment, and there are marquee customers from the banking and insurance perspective. Few of them are from the healthcare, pharma, and other retail and education perspective as well. So we have mixed bundle of customers which are into the enterprise space, government and public sector, as well as mid-market space as well.
Give me a sense of when you say that you provide IT solutions to data centers and other enterprises. How big is this business for you? And and you're not an IT services provider; it's a solutions provider. So, what kind of margins do you work on?
So currently, FY24 numbers, if you see out of 603 crore that the revenue that we have generated, 52% comes from our IT infrastructure solutions and products perspective, and that's a big business that we are concentrating on. Of course, the margin varies between 8 to 12% in this particular business, but it's a more of a eye-catching business which spreads across the customer. Every customer needs it, and that's a basic need of a customer. So we continue to do it since 1997, and we have expertise in terms of virtualization, in terms of backup, in terms of data center solutions, where we do a lot of core banking and ERP application perspective. We provide the complete landscape to our customers.
Two things which I just want to understand that you have a big relationship with Dell and also with Fortinet in the cyber security space. How big are these relationships, and how does this relationship work in terms of revenue generation for you?
So with Dell, we were the first partner to sign up. Dell is generally a direct marketing company. In India, they came with the channel model, and we were the first one to sign up with Dell. Same thing was with Nutanix. We were the first one to sign up with Nutanix in India, and FortiGate also, we were the early partner to sign up on the Fortinet front as well. So these relationships are growing year on year. For Dell, we are more than $10 million relationship that we are having in last financial year. Last financial year, I believe we have done more than $13 million business with Dell.